So after coming home from work last night, I spent some time just fiddling with this, trying to figure out bolt sizes and what have you. And I don't know if any of you guys or girls write on random pieces of paper, but this is what I had. So the actual small, where'd it go? Oh no, there it is. M4, hopefully you can see this. M4 countersunk bolt. This is a Allen wrench 2.5. It's right there. So from thread to thread, let's see. Thread to thread, 8 millimeters, give or take, total 11.8. I need about, for what I'm trying to do, about 2 inches, a little bit longer. And you can see here, this thing is built very nice. I actually just barely noticed that last night too. So we're gonna take this guy off. So since yesterday it's still windy, but not as windy. So you may hear a lot of leaves and a lot of everything going on right now. Undone. There you go. Bolt. Set that aside. I am prone to losing these little types of things. So, I'll set that aside. This is the hardware that it came with for the actual base, this mount right here. Throw that in the little baggie so we don't lose anything. Alright, now that we have this off, I'm going to fiddle with this piece right here. Where's it at? Where's it at? This is a 5 millimeter. So I can see what it looks like without that bolt and that little, what would you call this? Doohickey thing. Very nice. Nicely built. Again, so this guy has no other way but to go in through that little slot right there. Go. It's hand tight right there. Again, remember, if you wanted to really anchor it down when you're getting into your twist knobs here, boom. So So essentially, on the side of the center console, this will either be laying flat like here, to where I can move this ball joint forward or back, or straight up and down, so I get the height, right? And a lot of little things you notice when you have time and you're not thinking about anything else, excuse me, is this is a neoprene rubber piece right there, so your phone holds on to it so it doesn't fall off or slip. Same on both sides. this is not going anywhere. And again, adjustable. All right, let's go check it out. All right, let's hope you can see this and hear this, because now we're outside in the car and it is windy. So this was my old way of clamping my phone. Just a gooseneck, nothing fancy. I wrapped it up with some athletic tape so it doesn't scratch the side of this panel right here, just in case I decide to trade in this car, sell this car. Your other one, clamp right there. Now, there is nothing wrong with this. I usually have my phone right there. I was thinking of putting it right in through that piece right there. Sorry about the pre-workout cup. And the reason I didn't want anything here was just because then I'm gonna have let's use this as an example, a phone right there dead smack in the middle, and I can't see to the sides. I don't like that. I don't even like hanging anything here. Last time I hung something there, it was high school, senior year, and I had some fuzzy dice. So one of the options I thought of was right through here. Debating on putting a molly panel right here, but get this back in its spot. The downside to this is when it hits a bump, it's adjustable. I love that, right? If you have a date, you're here with your friends, what have you, turn that phone sideways and you got yourself a little entertainment center. This hits a bump, this thing is going up and down. You make a sudden stop, this is stopping all the way down to the bottom, just like you see there. So, reason for the clamp with 67 design, sorry if I mispronounced it. So let's tighten this up. What I want to do is essentially get this rail as close as possible. The ball's not tight. Get this rail as close as possible to this, minimizing anything that sticks out for the passenger. So then this will be free. So now it's just messing with it, getting the correct angles and everything. So let me see. So when I'm done, the phone should pop out somewhere around right there. Similar to what I had it. The way I want to position the ramp is I can bring it closer or away from me. Really should have thought this out a little bit better because it's harder with one hand. I can obviously rotate it that way, Boom, just like that. So that is what I am trying to do. Drill anywhere from here. Debating on going horizontal with the rail or vertical, straight up and down, so I can do anything like this. So that's where I'm gonna have to play with. I'll keep you guys updated and we'll go from there.